Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Sheets with AI using Apps Script and Vertex AI detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank document option. Once your new sheet is open, navigate to the top menu and select Extensions. In the drop-down menu, choose Apps Script. This will open a new tab with the Apps Script editor. You will see a default function named MyFunction. Delete the default function to start fresh. Now, rename your project by clicking on Untitled Project at the top left corner. Type in a descriptive name, such as AI Integration. Next, you need to set up the Vertex AI API. Go to the Google Cloud Console in your web browser. In the Cloud Console, create a new project or select an existing one. Enable the Vertex AI API for your project by searching for it in the API library. After enabling the API, navigate to Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and select API Key. Copy your newly created API key for later use. Return to the Apps Script editor in Google Sheets. To make HTTP requests, use the built-in URL fetch app service. Begin writing your function to call the Vertex AI API. Use the following code snippet as a reference. JavaScript function call Vertex AI input text const API key equals your underscore API underscore key const URL equals https:// your Vertex AI endpoint const options equals method post content type application/JSON headers authorization bearer plus API key payload JSON.stringify instances content input text const response equals URL fetch app.fetch, URL, options, return response.get content text. Make sure to replace your underscore API underscore key and your underscore Vertex underscore AI underscore endpoint with your actual API key and endpoint. Below the function, create another function to access user input from the spreadsheet. Use this code snippet, JavaScript function process input, const sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet.getActive sheet. Const input range equals sheet.getRange, a1 / change cell as needed. Const input text equals input range.getValue. Const output equals call Vertex AI input text sheet.getRange, b1. Save your script by clicking on the disk icon or hitting Ctrl+S. Authorize the script to connect with your Google account by following the prompts. After authorizing, return to Google Sheets. In cell A1, type the input text you want to analyze. To run your process, go back to the Apps Script editor. Click on the play button to execute the process input function. Once the script runs, check cell B1 for the AI-generated response. That's how to set up Google Sheets with AI using Apps Script and Vertex AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.